So hello, this is Michelle Radford from Georgia, and my policy project was to create a school-age endorsement to become part of our QRIS system. Currently, school-age classrooms housed in child care centers are excluded from observations during the quality-rated process. I wanted my project to increase awareness of the school-age population that the Department of Early Care and Learning serves. I hope to eventually change our policy to include school-age classrooms in the initial rating and the renewal process. Some challenges that I faced during my policy project: policy surrounding approved trainers was an issue. Current DECAL trainers had to have a degree in early childhood education to become a professional development trainer for our agency. This created an issue because several school-age specialists did not have a degree in early childhood education. So, through my work as part of the fellowship, we are currently having new training policies being reviewed by our legal department and hope to be able to recruit more trainers highly qualified in the area of school age. We are currently partnering with our statewide after-school network to provide technical assistance as part of the endorsement. I have been able to get training approved for the after-school and youth development standards, which will be part of the endorsement process. The Georgia Statewide After-School Network and Guide, which is their part of their funding partner, they will be able to provide training on the standards to our providers that are participating in the endorsement. The endorsement started out as being not a pilot program, but because of issues and challenges, we decided that it needed to be a pilot for this coming year and hopefully move forward in the future to make it as part of the quality rated process. In collaboration with our network, we are also trying to get some of the additional CCDBG funds allocated to the endorsement for additional field staff, some incentives, training, and even technical assistance. Our goal is to roll out the endorsement this summer. The application to participate in the endorsement pilot has been approved. It is going to be sent to 31 providers that responded to our school-age survey that was sent out in December. These 31 providers were also given an opportunity to attend focus groups across the state to discuss their after-school programs and how they see our agency helping them to improve the quality of their after-school programs. Initially, the survey was sent to 241 identified providers that were already quality rated with a 2 or 3 star rating. Our state has a 3-star system. So the participants had to already be quality rated in order to be sent the survey. Only sites that have 2 and 3 stars can participate in the endorsement currently. So we are still ironing out the details of the technical assistance, but hope to have a definite process in place by the end of this month. And GSANS, the Georgia Statewide After School Network, is submitting some proposals to our agency for us to look at to see if we can work with them and partner with them in this technical assistance process. So the plan, even though the process is not set in stone, the plan is going to look something like this. Providers will submit an application. Once the application has been submitted, they will have a baseline observation scheduled. From that baseline observation, they will identify the after-school and youth development standards to address. They will develop an action plan with their TA. The TA will run for 7 months, which is throughout the school year, and then a final observation using the Sakers U will be conducted in the spring of next year. We are currently going to use the Sakers since that is the tool that we are using with our standalone school-age programs, but we are looking at the possibility of changing that at some point in time, but logistically it was not possible for us to do that for the endorsement pilot. For sites with an overall score of 4 or higher, they will earn the endorsement. If a site scores lower than a 4, an overall score of 4, they will have the option to receive additional technical assistance over the summer and a second observation in the next fall. So hopefully we will get at least 10 to participate. That is our goal. Once we've go through the pilot process and iron out all the kinks in this. We hope to offer it to all of our child care providers that house after-school programs that are already quality rated 2 or 3 stars in the near future. I hope to accomplish getting this out by the fall, but we still have a ways to go. Thank you.